Major circulation, there it is. Big time storm here coming into Sulphur Springs. I'm on it. Big tornado coming in here, big circulation at least. Sirens are sounding in Sulphur Springs, big circulation back behind me. Possibly supercell, possibly behind the rain. Right there is likely where the tornado is going to happen here. Dangerous storm, definitely coming down. Just a few minutes ago, south of Sulphur Springs, big time tornado. There's a tornado cyclone right above me, folks. Here it comes. Getting windy. It's getting windy. Woo! There it is, just north. Coming down. Right in front of me! Here it comes, folks! It's happening! In case it fires up on that left side, I want to be there for it. It's trying to produce again. Might try in that field even. It's trying in that field right there! Try in that field even. It's trying in that field right there. Major tornado damage right here, folks. Just came through. Looks like a strong tornado. Right through here. Looking off to the east. Just came through, you can smell it. Tornado damage right here. That's a strong tornado. All right, folks, we have a large, extremely dangerous tornado with a tornado emergency heading toward New Boston, Texas. I'm here at the travel center. Tons of lightning. The tornado is only about 5 miles just off to my southwest. Very dangerous situation happening right now. Frequent lightning. Dangerous tornado headed straight for New Boston. And there's my location. I'm in New Boston, Texas, right up along Interstate 30. Dangerous, destructive tornado is about to hit my location. Look at that right there at Shreveport radar. That is a tornado emergency heading into New Boston along I-30. I'm in it right now in the inflow zone. Here it comes. Trying to gain visual of it. I can hear it. There it goes. Pretty sure this saw some power flashes. Oh yeah, I got it. I got visual power flashes crossing the interstate. Just saw it. Crossing the interstate now. I got it on my bird. Big tornado. Here's the gas station. Looks like the tornado may have gone just south of it. Awning, gas station awning is intact. People taking shelter at the store. And I believe that it went just south of us. There is some leaf litter. About a couple little, it's like some trash cans got knocked over here by the inflow and trees down just south of the gas station.